Check this baby out. I'm at the Sanctuary Cove International Boat Show 2026, and this is the premiere of the Merry Fisher 1095 Series 2. Welcome back to the Rudder. My name's Brooke, and as I mentioned, this is the first look at the 1095 Series 2, and I'm going to jump on board. I have actually staged it, but I haven't had a close look to see what the differences are between the Series 1 and the Series 2, so I'm super excited. I've got to say, the showstopper for the 1095 is the balcony. Now, I've heard this flips down. Let's take a look at this. I'm very excited. One press button. Down she goes. I can only imagine those glorious days on the water, hanging your feet off the edge, drinking a glass of wine. This is just perfect. Check it out. So this actually not only gives you direct water access, but it opens the boat up beautifully. Let's jump on and see what else I can find. Now, for those of you that know the 1095, you'll be wondering where that tuna door's gone. Well, it's actually on the port side now. So let's jump over and have a look at it. Easily move the cushion out of the way. And there you have it. So when you pull up to a marina, your guests can easily access from the port side and also obviously from the starboard side, as I just showed you before. This is super cool. I love being able to get on board from both the starboard and the port side. And you wouldn't even know that it's there. Moving into the galley area now, if you're familiar with the 895 Series 2, this is similar. So they've put a little extension to the galley, so there's more prep area, and it really extends it. So you've got the typical cooker, but check this out. Whoa, that actually sits there and extends it beautifully. Then you've got the whole cooker, and you've also got the basin. So I mentioned that I'm showing you the highlights. I want to walk forward now, being told that they really upgraded the ventilation. So in our Series 1 895, it was a little warm when you're underway. So they've included vents, and even when you did have the sunroof up, it was a little warm. So yeah, the vents are going to be really helpful. Hang on a sec. This looks like an upgrade. Let me see how this thing works. Oh, wow. And I can feel the air straight away. So they've listened. And, Jeanneau, thank you so much. I can feel the air coming in right now. So that's definitely a big upgrade. You've got the vents and the tilted sunroof. So you do get that airflow whilst underway. Okay, over to our starboard side here. We've got a power socket, and I believe I've been told that you can get a TV factory fitted that actually fits in this section here, and you can stand it up. That's a really cool addition. Now, I've got to say that the 1095 Series 1, there really wasn't that much wrong with it. So you've still got all your standard amazing things like the flip over chair for the passengers to face forward whilst underway. The table flips up, extra wide helms area. All of those inclusions that obviously worked really well on the Series 1. Let's take a step down into the cabins and see what they've done down here. On the port side, you've got, well, they've actually got it set up as two singles. You can have it as a double. It depends what you option for. Not many changes there. As I mentioned, it's already really functional. The biggest change down here is the double entry to the ensuite. So you've got access into the head with a separate shower room from this door here, but this is an inclusion in the Series 2. You can use this as an ensuite. So you can enter it from the main cabin for privacy, which is a pretty cool upgrade, I think. I've just spotted something, and those of you who are familiar with the 895 Series 2, I think I know what we're going to see on the bow, because you've got a huge light well all the way across here, which gives this an even more spacious feel, if you can believe that. Lots of air, oh, this is different. You've got the cushions are up the top. As in the Series 1, you've got the air filter through here, through the window. And it looks like there's actually PowerPoints everywhere, which is a real upgrade from the Series 1. The single cabin on the starboard side, still got the brilliant storage area or the option to have it as another cabin for sleeping facilities. And we've got the super large fridge in here as well. I'm so keen to jump up to the bow and see what they've done. Oh, here we go. Looks like the captain's door is much wider than the original one, so even more spacious to get in and out. There you can see the lip of the sunroof, so much less likelihood that you're going to get the rain coming in as well. Oh wow, this is incredible. The size of this bow area is seriously impressive. There are enough spaces for, I don't know how many adults, you make it up, but it's great. It's so comfortable here. I can see many a day just floating around. You've got cup holders everywhere. You can see there's cushions at the bow further up for more guests. And there's the points for the sunshade as an optional extra as well. Oh, this is cool. Well, that's my first reaction to the new 1095 Series 2. Well done, Jeanneau. You always nail it. I didn't think that there could be anything better you could do to the boat, but you've really upped the game again. So congratulations to the new owners of this boat. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments box below. I want to do a huge shout out to Northside Marine for allowing us access onto this beautiful boat. Happy boating, and contact Northside if you've got any questions. See you next time on the rudder.